Kundalini awakening and grounding. You need lot of prana for you to ground, and you need huge abundance of prana in nature like this, where you don't have to compromise on the prana, the fuel that you need for Kundalini. So if you want to have more of prana, explore like me in the jungles. Go out in nature, in the jungle, in wild nature, where you get lots of ancient connection, and also the supply of prana and oxygen in that energy field is extreme. Whatever background you are experiencing, you can sense from that it is a raw jungle where I have come for grounding, and it is energizing me. It is making me high because of the ancient connection with the energies, and it is a vortex which I have discovered for my grounding. Look at the wilderness around and you will be thrilled. So you can ground yourself by hugging trees. With both hands, you need to hug the trees as I have shown in other videos, or you can just stand by keeping yourself, your spine, head rested on the trunk of the tree like this. And also you can open your shoes and walk barefoot. All these have the power to reduce inflammation in your body, which happens due to extra charge of electrons flowing in you, due to extra supply of the universal energy. The Kundalini itself is the electricity that flows in you. And what happens? The extra downloads of energy, the lightning energy of Kundalini creates lot of inflammation in your body because of the extra prana consumed continuously. So you need to ground yourself in jungles like this, where there is no human habitation, and you have to find your place, you have to find your way, you have to find the ways to ground, and you cannot have excuses. You need to know that you have to be extremely raw to live life. You can sit anywhere you want. Look at the trees above. Do exhalation if you feel exhausted. Also, I have created this video in a condition where there is extremely low prana in the environment. And when there is extremely low prana in the environment, you feel depleted of your energy because your Kundalini needs lots of fuel to process, to ascend. And when there is too much less prana, you feel that you are having a condition called breathlessness. That breathlessness leads to chest breathing. It leads to anxiety in you. And to avoid that, if you go out in nature, most of your extra charge is absorbed by the nature, and you feel that you're feeling better than before. You feel that it is a great way to ground. Just find your place to ground. Just get connected to different ambience. For example, the trunk of this tree is little thin, which I can hold completely. Open your shoes, walk barefoot. So I am doing of opening my shoes and will ground myself by barefoot walking, because until and unless I do this, I will not be feeling good. So you don't need to resist, you just need to allow So I have opened my shoes, and now with barefoot, I will show you. I am walking barefoot. On the ground. So like this, you can walk barefoot on the ground and just allow yourself the life energy that you are. There is no other way to ground Kundalini other than what I am expressing through the videos. The extra downloads of energies that you get, and you can be raw like this, holding the shoes in your hands and just walk around. You don't have to become anything. Don't have to be anyone. Nobody knows you. So walk barefoot. Come out of your ego identification. Make use of the raw nature. Just walk around and feel that if you lose this moment, life is gone. Everything is gone. There is no life beyond this moment. You have to know and understand the importance of your life. If you don't understand, if you don't care about your life, there is nobody else who will care about your life. So it is you who will have to take the initiative, who have to go out and ground yourself in nature and increase the prana and ojas. When you ground in an energy vortex, you get the highest quality of oxygen supply, prana supply, and the divine energies of the natural elements reach you. The forests, the ancient trees have the power to give you, to nourish you, or to nourish your brain and nervous system. The oils releasing from these energies, these trees are very beneficial to activate the instinctive brain in you. Your brain gets healed when you expose yourself to such ancient trees, the ancient and this wilderness. You just remain here and you can feel that something in you is changing. You can take breathing more confidently. You can feel the air more well. You can feel nature in its totality. Nobody knows what to do. An ego is created from your limited experience of life. How much life have you experienced? What is your experience of life? Apart from the matrix and matter, you know nothing about life. Only by living life, you can know about life, and that life is you. Why I am telling again and again about the life? Because you are ignorant and stupid also. You know nothing about how to live life. Thus, this simple activity of walking barefoot can ground you. It can change you. Open your shoes, walk barefoot, and ground yourself and become free. Now, this is a bamboo tree which is very good for your breath. The air coming from the bamboo tree is very rich, and all these experiences you can get only when you are in nature, when you are in abundance. So don't waste your life sitting in the cubicles, sitting in the four walls of your room, of your apartment. Just get out and enjoy. I am there for you only when you invest in yourself. I vanish from your life when you don't invest in yourself. So you just need to know that if you want to experience me, the Guru, the Master, you have to pay attention to your life. You have to pay attention to the divinity which I am getting you connected with. You have to pay attention to the breath. You have to pay attention to the consciousness in you. You have to pay attention to whatever I teach. If you cannot pay attention to what I teach, then you cannot experience it in your life. So I am experiencing the best life right now, and the sun has come. As I said, it will shine, it will be bright, and in the background it is showing its glimpse, and that is the light of consciousness, which is behind the darkness of the mind, darkness of the ego. If you connect to that light, it is grounding in itself. Sun in itself is a grounding. So when you get the morning sun or the evening sun, try to look at the sun and ground yourself. Through this video, if you can get connected to what I am pointing you towards, your life will change. You'll become a different person altogether right now. So ground yourself with the trees, walk barefoot like me, connect to the sun, connect to the trees, touch the green plants. When you are in nature, smell, take the smell of the leaves, different kinds of leaves. You can smell it with all your senses, the wilderness behind. You can smell the flower from the jungle. Different kinds of flowers will smell differently, and enjoy. So I think I have given you enough insights to experience life, and now is your turn to take action. If you take action, you will bloom, you will glow, and just keep grounding like me. Keep enjoying this wilderness. I will show you another flower which is again so beautiful, and the smell is awesome. There are many more. Let me collect. So get yourself collected these flowers from the wild. Experience this wilderness of nature. So bye bye. If you cannot live life like me, detached from everything, then there are many lives to come for you. You have not suffered enough. 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 So ground, ground, ground. There is no other way to ground other than this. Bye bye.